Testing. Testing. All right. I think we are live. Hello, hello. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So some of you guys will probably be watching this on a replay. I just kind of want to put out a update out there. This is on a live stream, and yeah, so um because I've been so busy lately with with the current situation here, and I've been taking care of businesses, and as well as you know um, not doing so much live stream lately, just because I got other things that I cannot disclose here on the live stream or on video, just because there's some eyes and ears out there. Just kind of want to keep that private and keep that to myself. At least for you guys that wants to know about it, you can DM me. But yes, it's something that I'm working on quietly, right? But I'm still here. I'm still on Discord, and I'm still gonna be doing some live stream, possibly once a week. And that if you guys are interested in watching the live stream, it's now gonna be on Mondays, so just FYI. And yeah, I will be hold on one second here, let me figure out why my audio, I think there we go. All right, so yeah, basically, I just want to give an update on what's going on with crypto using Ichimoku Cloud Indicator, as well as some guitar strings and trend lines and things like that. We are still actually, before I get started, giving away $200 at the end of the month. All you gotta do is like and subscribe to the video, and we have to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month, which is only 2 days away. I don't know if it's possible, but we can definitely extend the giveaway. I still want to do it, but we have to hit that goal first. But other than that, I mean, let's get started. So yeah, so basically what I'm seeing here is BTC just pretty much broke through a pretty major resistance here. As you can see, I have like a little line kind of going down right over here from the $59,000 area all the way down to $40,000 area, and another touch here at $35,000 area. And then as you can see, we finally got a chance to actually get above that resistance for BTC. So what we did here, I'm looking at the 8-hour time frame, is we came up and we finally broke through that on an 8-hour time frame. As you can see, I have another type of resistance level right here, the resistance level right here, and then we came down and retested that same resistance, and it's now a support. And so what I think is gonna happen here, or most likely will happen, is that we either come up towards the next line of resistance, which is the what is that, 35,500 area, and then we kind of trade sideways here, right? I had a similar pattern I posted a while back, where we hit the 40 pretty much this area right here, $40,000, $41,000 area. And then we had, I pretty much was saying that we're gonna, bounce back down here towards $35,000, but we actually dropped a little, way lower than I was expecting. But I was only saying, it's probably gonna be somewhere around here, like this, right? Something like that, and then we start to work our way up. But instead, we hit that. Let's see here, we hit that, and we came all the way back down towards 28.5, and then decided that we go back up towards 34,500, bounce off this $30,800 area support, and then we finally broke that right there. So what I feel like is gonna happen is just, we're gonna be trading sideways for a little longer, somewhere around here, and then we finally make our way up. All right. Yeah, so the title of this video is, I think we're basically completing the Wave C correction, kind of going into the next impulse move for BTC. So the ABC correction looks like this right here, right? So basically, somewhere right here would be the C correction, and this would be the wave 4 for BTC, right? So let's see if I can figure out where, somewhere along this area here. No, hold on. Somewhere around wave. So wave 1, 2, 3, wave 4, and then wave 5 would be somewhere up there, right? So that's we're pretty much completing the wave 4 with the ABC correction within that wave 4. And so what I think is going to happen here, this is based on the Elliott wave theory, is that we're going to eventually start working our way up towards wave 5. So who knows where wave 5 is going to be, and it's probably not going to, we're not going to see the top until sometime the year 2022, maybe the beginning of 2022. So could be January, February, in that area. If you're logging in, hey, good morning. What's up? Good morning to you. How are you doing today? Yeah, some people are probably wondering, like, where did I go? I keep you guys updated on the Discord channel. I make sure that you guys are aware that last time we had a video, I said I was gonna make a video once a week, or at least a live stream once a week, and then I'm still working on a better idea on how to, like, or basically to make a what do you call it, a separate type of video, but I'm still trying to figure out what kind of video that would be. And so yeah, but I'm still on Discord, and it'd be great. It'll be great. So yeah, that's where we're at. I think we are just about completed the ABC correction on BTC. This would be the C correction here, and I think we're working our way up towards the wave 5 on the impulse wave. So but yeah, I think so basically the wave 5, or the impulse wave that we're going to be seeing here is just somewhat of something like either it was like this, and then we're gonna see a what do you call it, like a wave of something like this, and then to wave 5, whatever that wave 5 is gonna be, or it could be something bigger than that, where we go up towards make a higher high or something like that. And then wave 3 is always much bigger, and then kind of complete the top, right? But this could be a process. It could take some time. Like I said, it could, that whole impulse wave up towards the wave 5 of the Elliott wave theory is that it could take up all the way to, beginning of 2022. So that's, I've always pretty much, said that, you got to stay patient with the current market, especially with crypto, on how volatile we are. You got to be ready for, the 50 to 70% drops if you want to make it to the top. I mean, you have to just think about, you just have to think about where you are in the market. So if you were able to jump in right over here, even if you didn't get a chance to get in over here, but you got in somewhere over here in the market, it doesn't matter if it's BTC or altcoins, you would just have to ride out this, this drop here. And you're just like, okay, well, I'm pretty much either break even or you're somewhat like losing a little bit of money. It's still okay, because all you got to do is just hold your coins, hold your portfolio, do not sell for a loss, and wait for this correction to finish and complete, and wait for it to finish the bull cycle. Because I've been bullish. I've always been bullish. I just, the thing with me is I know when the bull cycle will end. Not exactly, but I know that we're not done. All right, we're not done yet. Even though I sold my portfolio, my 70% of my investments here, I'm still holding on to quite a few. Like, I mean, there's a lot that I'm still holding on to, and I'm gonna hold it until the end, right? And so, I've always been bullish all throughout here. I just, I think as long as BTC is able to hold that 30K region, right? 30K right over here, this area, I think BTC will see, all-time highs. And so possibly anywhere from 70 to 100K area, all right? I'm not sure exactly what the number is going to be, but it's going to be somewhere high. Okay. There is a lot of things going on out there with BTC, a lot of FUD going on. There's just so many people saying BTC will either go to 100K or BTC will go to zero. Yeah, you know what I mean? There's just so much. They don't know what to do with technology yet. That's all I see. They just don't know, and the governments are just kind of like, hey man, you're making this you're making this a legal tender, but then, what about us, man? Where's our cut? Things like that. I don't know. Yeah, but I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. All right. I mean, there's just gonna be some craziness gonna be popping out of nowhere, but it's okay. That's just how it is when it comes to new technology. I mean, think about all the crazy things they said during the .com era, right? So, I mean, just currently, there, I think about what is that? 1997. There were already 130 million users, internet users out there, and then just recently BTC hit about 137 million users as well. And so I think the technology that you guys are in now, you guys are early, and when you're early on things, everything can be very unpredictable. And so long-term hodling is probably better as far as the strategy goes, because trying to time the market, as I always say, is kind of difficult. Where if you're just trading in a range like this, it's kind of difficult. And so some people will hold and some people will still try to trade it, but it's okay. You do what you do. All right. Actually, me, I haven't done any type of trades I have not put any risk out there, since I want to know where this market is going. Even though, yeah, I've been saying it's gonna go up, but still, you still have to keep in mind, like, there's still a downside. You get rejected. If you get rejected anywhere down, from here, I mean, you're gonna go down. So you get rejections here, you're definitely gonna go down. So just keep that in mind. Possibly to 20K, 15K, and things like that, right? But you got to be prepared for that. That's why I'm not putting any risks out there. So as you can see how we have broken out of here, right? So as long as this is not a rejection, as long as this becomes a successful retest, right? And we close above, we close somewhere over here. The good thing about this candle is green, right? It's not red. And so you want to see, you want to see this close above here, and we start to trade up a little bit, right? We start to trade sideways or something like that, consolidate right here, and then eventually hold this support here. That would be great. That would be a great thing for BTC, right? You see how we came up here, we tried one time and we got rejected, right, below the resistance. And then we came back down, we held 30,000, and then we jumped back up, right? And finally we saw a push yesterday back above that resistance, and then now we're coming down to retest that resistance on the 8-hour time frame, right? So on the 8-hour time frame, yeah, everything kind of looks slow, but the good thing about looking at the 8-hour time frame is it allows you to do something else, right? And so that's what's happening with BTC. Now, if you go down to XRP, so here's XRP, put that on log mode, auto zoom out a little bit. Same thing with XRP, right? And so here's, let's see here. So XRP, as you can see, we're kind of trading within this conversion line, right? The conversion line is the yellow here, which pretty much acts as a moving average as well. And so we traded all the way down here, right? Held support right at 50 cents. And then, we kind of had this, this doji candle here, and then we traded up back towards the conversion line. We get another rejection right around the 3-year resistance that we try and broke through, pretty much right over here, right? So we had the inverse head and shoulders here, right here, right? The neckline, and that neckline just so happens to be the 3-year resistance that we try to break once, right? And so it goes back all the way towards 2018. So as you can see, we try to break it here, here, and we just couldn't do it, right? So we ended up coming back down until we finally had a breakout right here. And so now we're pretty much battling that same region, right? So we're pretty much battling that same resistance now. And so what you want to see is, as you can see, there's a support line right here, right? Support trend line here. And then you have resistance right here. And so we're kind of like in this triangle, right here, where if we get rejected, this is on the 8 hours. So if we were to get rejected again on that 3-year resistance, then we're most likely going to be dropping back towards 58 all the way down to 54 and retest this this support level right here, right? But if we manage to push through this resistance, then we can definitely start seeing XRP start trading above that, and then trade sideways right around this area here. As you can see, the Ichimoku cloud, there's still big resistance here on the 8 hours, and so we got to get past this, and have our conversion line start trending up. The baseline starts trending down, and then we get a bullish cross with that. So, but yeah, so more sideways, more consolidation for XRP. Unless we just get one of those really big candles. If we do see something like that, it's probably just gonna get stopped here at 88 cents, and then we could be trading, come back down here. So something like this, and then coming back down. Right. So that's what XRP is. But I mean, just because look at this Kumo cloud here. So the Kumo cloud is pretty much this Ichimoku here will kind of give you the idea on when XRP and BTC, will start will start going to the moon, right? So anytime you see XRP starts trading within the cloud area, and your yellow conversion line is above that, and then let's see, your lagging span is also above that, you have a green Kumo cloud here, then you know for a fact XRP is gonna start going crazy. All right, so at the current moment, I just I still expect XRP to trade sideways right here. Once we get above this 3 years resistance, right, which is 65 cents, and so that's only 2 cents away, right? Let's see here, let's talk about another coin that I've been kind of introducing to you guys on the Discord. Good morning, Mr. Lex Luthor. I am Batman. Another coin that I'm kind of been introducing you guys to is, let me see if I can pull it up. Tools. Is if I can find it, is let me bring this up. Hold on. Oopsie daisy. There we go. All right. I don't know why my lines disappeared. All right, here we go. Let me see. There we go. All right. So let me bring my tools out. All right. So as you can see here, I've been really following and paying close attention to, as you guys know, CSC. Yeah. So every Monday, we're gonna be doing live. Actually, today, after this video, I will be pretty much on vacation mode. And you guys are like, what? You guys are like, what? Yeah, man. Like I said at the beginning of this month, I said I was gonna go on vacation at the end of the month, right? And so, yeah, no, I'll be going on vacation for the rest of the week. So I'll be around. I'll be around on Discord and things like that, and I'll still be updating you guys from my laptop. So, yeah, it's gonna be a tiring week for me, but we're gonna be doing live on Mondays, and I'm like I was saying earlier, is I'm still thinking of a really good, consistent topic to talk about on a weekly basis, on a separate video, right? And since we're still kind of like a baby in YouTube, for YouTube, and yeah, I'm just trying to figure out like a way for to make consistent videos. Basically, that's all I'm trying to do. But no, we did pretty good, and I appreciate you guys for doing everything that you can. And some of you guys probably was not even expecting a live video today, which is cool. I just want to put out a video today and just kind of give you guys an update on what's happening. So this is CSC. If you guys don't know about CSC yet, it's a casino coin. Let me give you guys a proper introduction about this coin here. Let me see here. CSC, man, they got some really great news coming up. They just had they just had good news this past weekend regarding a partnership with Flare Network. And so, if you guys not aware of Flare Network, Flare Network is going to be something big. All right. So if you don't have Flare, yeah, you better, you know what I'm saying. So let me see here. Where would you be at? All right. So, Casino Coin now is basically let's see here. Hold on. I'm gonna try and explain to you guys what Casino Coin is, so you guys are more familiar with that coin. Casino Coin. Yeah. Where you at though? Why get home? It should be documentation. Let's find the documentation. Oh man, I don't want to know that. Anyways, well, Casino Coin is pretty much they're actually regulated, guys. So guess what? They're one of the first to become regulated. So I mean, they have to be regulated and able for them to start getting some partnerships along with some adoptions, you know, with casinos. So they had to be regulated, and they recently just announced that last week. So that's another good news for CSC. So let's see here. What was that? How CSC will rise 10 cents on it. Oh man, it's gonna rise more than that. Anybody want to guess what their all-time high was? CSC's all-time high on a shitty network, bro. On a shitty network, CSC rose all the way to 50 cents. I mean, think about that. That's crazy. Now they're on a really good network, right? I mean, XRP Ledger makes them really fast, highly usable, regulated, and it's on the Flare network or Flare Finance too. I mean, I'm hoping that it goes above 50 cents. I mean, the all-time high was 50 cents, right? So anything happen in crypto, yeah, it's gonna be great, man. It's gonna be great. I'm looking for yeah, I don't know. Well, let's see. Let me see if I can find another one. Here we go. I think it is. Here it is, guys. If you don't know what Casino Coin is, it's a digital currency on the XRP ledger developed specifically for the regulated gaming industry. Casino Coin takes advantage of the XRP ledger superior seed scales and efficiency. So back then it was only using the Litecoin, right? Network. So let's see here, allowing it to access to many of the bank's friendly features, and it has to offer while still being able to further develop the technology for use cases in the regulated gaming space. Running on XRPL is as an issued token, Casino Coin can facilitate up to 1,500 peer-to-peer transfers per second. Wow, it's fast, right? It's almost as fast as XRP. So with the near instant confirmation, Casino Coin is founded on ethos of compliance and consumer protection first, and is developing a gaming environment worthy of the world's top regulated gaming gaming jurisdictions. All right. So here's why CSC. You see gambling users, operators, and regulators. And then you guys can check this out on casinocoin.im /overview. And yeah, man, it's good stuff. And then they just have a Discord. They recently just had added a Discord channel. If you guys are interested in that, let me know on Discord, and I'll send you guys over to the Discord channel. And they tip you, which is is pretty cool, man. They tip you CSC, man. They have a tip bot now that yeah, somebody just tipped me a lot, and I'm like, whoa, what for what? So I'm about to find out why they tipped me. But yeah, they gave me a lot, and I'm just like, for free. But yeah, so here we are on the chart, on the CSC chart, using the CSC XRPL USDT. All right, chart. You can look at the other one, which is the I'll look it up later, but it's the CSC slash XRP. There, the chart looks a little bit different there. It's a lot higher looking, but I'm sticking to this one here because it's just, they're both the same. I think, I mean, the prices stays the same and things like that. And so as you can see here on the CSC chart, we've been, we consolidated for a while, right? We consolidated for a really long time. This is on a 4-hour time frame. On using Ichimoku here, we pretty much got above it, right? We had a bullish cross here. We traded above it, right? You can see we had that rally up here all the way to 5 cents, and then we kind of traded back down towards, below the cloud, right? So right here we have a bearish cross. We traded down. We had another bullish cross here, and then we started to go up, right? And so the good thing I'm seeing here is that I'm seeing a bullish cloud here. So green Kumo cloud, and your conversion line is about to leave the Kumo cloud. So while we're trading inside the cloud, so basically this just means that we're transitioning over to a bullish area, right? And so what could happen here, since we have a flat top here, we could trade sideways. Your baseline is starting to look flat as well, so you could start trading sideways here until we break out. Your lagging span also needs to be out here, conversion line, and a green cloud for a really bullish move for CSC, right? This is on a 4-hour time frame. So if you look at the 12 hours, right? So we're still in a cloud, right? We're still in a cloud. We're starting to go up. So if anytime we start to, we're getting rejected here on the baseline, which could mean that once we hit this resistance right here, right? Once we hit that resistance again, we could get rejected once more right there at that resistance, and we could start to trade sideways right here, right? And so let me see if I can bring my drawing tool. So right over here, let me change the color to white. We could get rejected there, and then we could kind of fall back down, and then eventually work our way up and get squeezed out of this, this triangle, right? That could happen. Let's see here. Let me delete that. Or we could actually, depending on, if we get good news once again, right? Right around this area, we could finally break through this resistance here, right? And then your conversion line will cross the baseline. Then right around here, you'll start to see green again, right? Conversion line starts to go up. So that would be a very bullish indication for casino coin. 48 cents. Yeah, see, 48 cents. All-time high. So, we could go for a break above that. If we break above 48 cents, yeah, man, just imagine that. And so that's where we at. And if you go back to if you go towards the XRP, here's the XRP, what do you call it, the CSC slash what do you call it, oh my god, CSC slash XRP chart. Let me take that off. There you go. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at for Casino Coin, CSC XRP. Why is my line? There it is. Okay, so let me delete that. All right, there we go. I see a cup and handle here, right? And then we continue to go up, right? So we broke pretty much through. Where is it? Why is it doing that? There we go. So there's just basically there's a bunch of sellers here. That's what I'm seeing. What I'm seeing is a rejection of high prices, right, at the current moment, just because of I think we're still waiting on BTC. So basically, depending on how BTC acts from now on, is we can finally start seeing us break out of here, right, into all-time high. And so we are pretty bullish on the Kumo on the Ichimoku cloud, right? We are pretty much still above on the 12-hour time frame. We're still above the Kumo cloud here, which is good. The conversion line is above the baseline. The lagging span is still way out here. So you can see the lagging span is out here, instead of it closer to the candles, right? So we could, if the lagging span starts touching the candles here, we could see it trade sideways, right? But what you don't want to see is it go down towards here, baseline goes flat right here, and then your conversion line starts to cross back down here. And then so if that happens, prepare for a downside right down there. But so far it looks good. Conversion line's healthy, baseline's healthy, Kumo cloud's healthy, lagging span is healthy as well. So that's what I see based on this chart here. And yeah, so more good news will bring this will bring CSC up, right? Since we had the conversion line, not conversion line, the cup and handle here, right? Cup and handle pattern. So the handle pretty much just finished pattern, or the pattern of the handle just finished or completed. Now we're continuation, with the continue. I can't even talk this morning. Where's my coffee? God. Yes. All right. So yeah, we're just seeing a continuation here. Right now we're trading sideways, just waiting for more news and waiting for BTC in the same time. And so they basically have about 10 more announcements to make within basically every Tuesday, every week, right? So once a week they will be making an announcement, and so you can only imagine where CSC will go. One thing I can say about CSC too, guys, is let me see here. Let me go back to this here. Let me go back to this one. One thing I can say about CSC is that even though BTC comes down, right, we're still holding this area here. We've been like, it's very good at holding its position. And so, that's just something I noticed. While everybody else is going down, CSC is just holding its line right here. And so those are good signals. So we just need to see, another good news here in the next couple days, and this will break out of here, right? I did post something where I was expecting this to consolidate a little bit more before we see a breakout until the end of July. But actually, if you look at this triangle, it just pretty much extends out all the way to the beginning of July. And so, I've seen the same thing on every other chart, where I think the beginning of July, we're going to actually start seeing more greens across the board going into July. And so, right? Um, why did I just do that? There we go. I think July would be a great month for crypto, right? Some consolidation, a little bit consolidation, but we're gonna start to see a pump towards this area 42,500. If we could just get a higher high from that, that would be great. So um, what else? What else? What else? So there's not many news that I'm seeing other than uh this guy said, "Can we please stay serious and don't post such a BS? We don't need to be in XRP community." Yeah, okay, bro. Tweet. Yeah, a lot of good stuff. I'm seeing a lot of other eminence of Island Man. So there's a lot of casino coin news in the gambling industry. They're they're getting yeah, man, their name is spreading out really fast. They pretty much got registered in Isle of Man. It's financial authorities that gives casino uh, broader project or broader room for operating and things like that. So let's see here. Just this guy was like, "I'm ready for an asteroid." Low key, man. Did you know this? Did you guys know this is a fact? Low key, everybody's just waiting for the world to end. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's, yeah. They said it was a fact. Open short here with stop loss. Yeah. Let's see here. Do 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 do. Oh, myself. So, some guy was saying that once the SEC, once the lawsuit for XRP, once we finally finalize the lawsuit with the SEC, and then institutions and banks starts using XRP. So he's saying that the price will basically start going crazy overnight, right? Meaning like overnight, yeah, you're gonna see some crazy prices for XRP. um, I don't think it will be overnight, but I mean, I think it'll play out within, just within a week or 2 weeks worth of nothing but continuation up. And so, that would be great. I think that would be really great if that happens. But first, we got to get over the SEC thing. So, and then he also said BTC was going to zero. So I don't know about that. I think BTC is it's like gold, man. I mean, BTC is like gold. You can have store value. You don't have to make it go zero. you know. Um. Da 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 da. Well, I'm just checking news. There's really not much news going on other than it's Elon Musk's birthday. Was it yesterday or today? I don't know. I can't remember. He's the 50 man. 50. 50 years old. You almost loaded. Let me see here. Yeah, I'm not seeing any other news. So yes, yes, yes. On where? XRP Ledger. But yeah, no news, no news. So yeah, what's up, guys? What's been up? I hope you guys been okay. Um, hope you guys are staying healthy. You guys good? Looking for anybody else on like BNB, BNB looking good. RLC. Man, did you guys see ICP? Um, ICP had a big rally. So here's ICP. Who was it? Mr. Exodus on Discord. I told him to be careful with the ICP. I don't know if he still has it. If you still have it, hold on to it because you could see you could start to see some kind of movements up. If anything, you might hit this area here. So what is that? $58-$60 area. And then you can consolidate there. If you get a bullish cross with the baseline conversion line, your lagging span, and a green Kumo cloud here, and you start to trade upwards, you could see a reversal. You could see a reversal, and you could see a massive cup and handle, right? So ICP I think would be good, but they're still so new, right? I think there would be some use case for ICP. Here's Detroit. Oh my God, for real? ICP is a scam? Oh shit. Well, I just saw something about them the other day, and they were saying, it looks good, but then, like I said, they're still so new. So, but yeah, let me see here where I go. But yeah, so just keep an eye on ICP there. If you start to trade up above the baseline here, you could start to see a reversal, but who knows? You might get rejected again. But dang. So from here, where I said it was, there was a triangle here. Where's my triangle? Right over here. Somewhere over here. I don't know. It might have been that. You broke down and you just kept breaking down. So yeah, man. Last time I saw ICP is at 140 down to what's price is that? $40 to $41. That's crazy. Whatever. Yeah. I mean, I would just be careful, just because they're very new. I mean, look at this. What is that? They went all the way up to $2,800. I mean, how crazy is that? How crazy is that? That's probably an ICO. And so that ICO would probably cost them because SECs don't like ICOs. Anyways, let's go move on to anybody seen QNT, man? Oh man, QNT. Look at QNT. Look how bullish QNT is, right? Wave 1, 2, probably going to wave 3 now. I don't know if that's wave, but this could have probably been wave. Let's see. Let's put it on log mode, auto, daily, right? So when is this? Okay, yeah, July. Okay. So March, December 2020. All right, here we go. Boom. This might be wave 2 here. Wave 3. Yeah. So don't, pay attention to the QNT, man. QNT could be big. CeeLo. Where's CeeLo? CeeLo. I saw CeeLo, man. CeeLo could be good too. On the 8-hour time frame, you're starting to trade above the baseline here. Conversion line starting to look bullish. Lagging span. Now you just need to wait and for everything to come out of the cloud and wait for a green cloud here, somewhere over here, right? Let's see the green. So green cloud here, conversion line out, baseline, whatever the fuck this line is, this this line here, lagging span, all those 3 indicators, 4 indicators, the conversion cross, all those would be very bullish on the 8-hour time frame, and you could be looking at more upside for CeeLo. Hello. Good morning, Mr. Brian, Anna. Hello, how are you guys? Let's see. Anybody else have somebody asked me about vet this weekend. I said, what did I tell them? I tell them to just hold their position on vet. Double bottom pattern for vet, which is bullish. It's just, again, regardless of how bullish everybody is, they still gotta wait for BTC to finish out the Wave C pattern, right? So the Wave C pattern is almost done. We're starting to move towards the Wave 5, right, on BTC. And so as long as we hold here above this support level, we're good. We could start trading sideways here, consolidate a little bit more until our conversion line starts to creep back up. Baseline starts to be somewhere over here. Then we get a bullish cross. Then we can continue to go to whatever place we go to. But then again, keep in mind a rejection here. If this candle starts turning red, then prepare for a downside, right? So BTC still got some decision to make here. We broke through this resistance finally. We tried to wait for it break here, but didn't. We got rejected. We came back down, hold 30, and then we're back up here. So, which is good. Looking good for the crypto market. I think that's all I have. That is all I have. That is all I have, folks. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you're gonna be watching this on replay, thank you. Like the video. I'd like to thank you all so much. Again, I'll be on Discord. Talk to me on Discord. I'll be on vacation for the rest of the week, but I'll still be around. I'll be updating you guys through my laptop. So, yeah, that's it. That is it. Thanks, guys. Ingat kayo lagi. Stay safe, and I love you all. Thank you for being here all the time. Love the support. Love it. See you guys later. Peace out. Intro.
I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Whatever you want, I'll be whatever you want. Just tell me you love me or not, whatever it costs. I know I'm talking a lot, there's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more, I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most, thinking that I'm insecure. Really should've listened more, but I don't, of course. I'm an asshole, I'm a good guy, I'm your best friend, I'm the worst type. Tell you everything that you heard right, just so I can fuck on the first night. Feel like I'm losing hope, running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go, this all I've ever known. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't